you want to really see something that's said, take a look at what happened.
Former president and presidential hopeful Donald Trump was rushed off stage quickly just minutes into his rally in Butler, Pennsylvania on Saturday after loud shouts were heard. Trump reportedly had blood on the side of his head and his ear.
Trump was speaking when he reached inside of his face as popping sounds rang out over the rally. He then crouched down as Secret Service agents rushed to the stage and surrounded him. He was quickly swarmed by secret agents and rushed off stage to a waiting vehicle. Now, Trump appeared to raise a fist as he led off stage. Armed police took to the podium soon after.
And we do have to remind our viewers that this incident has happened not very long ago.
Yep.
We are just receiving these images as well. He did appear to be okay, and preliminary or early reports say that he will be okay. As you could see, he is still walking on his own accord, although completely surrounded by security. That blood on the side of his head appeared to be coming from his ear.
Yep.
And if you look as he was raising his fist, he looked to be mouthing the words "fight." That's what it seems like to me. So I'm assuming he's sending a message perhaps for his, because a lot of those that were in attendance were his followers. This reminds me vaguely of the incident
really
that
see
happened with
something that said,
President
take a look at what happened.
Ronald Reagan at the time in 1981. I believe it was on May or March the 30th.